This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform a timber or wood decking installation. Step 1. Measure, clean, and prepare the wood. Our team will thoroughly clean the area while measuring and preparing the wood to ensure a precise fit for installation. This guarantees optimal conditions for a flawless and durable result. Step 2. Install the decking support. The decking support will be installed to hold the timber decking boards in place to ensure stability. Step 3. Attach the decking board. Decking boards will be installed carefully with precision to allow proper drainage and prevent mold or water damage. Step 4. Sanding and varnishing. This step enhances the natural beauty of the wood while providing protection against the elements. Check out the difference before and after our timber wood decking installation. Transform your outdoor space with the timeless beauty and durability of timber or wood decking. WhatsApp us now at 82410032.